Oh my goodness, the irony. To inform all of you, what happened last video exactly happened with this video. This is the spindle I just replaced. Hey, but we had a good time on here. We found actually a pretty good jump. It's a shame we couldn't get to everything that we could have today. My poor driving made the spindle break again, so we're gonna have to repair that again. But on a good note, the LST is running great. The 454 running ice cold, and also that thing just fires right up first pull. I got it tuned pretty good. I have it a little more on the richer side. It is colder today, but the thing is very reliable. I think I ran probably 1.5 tanks through it. Showed no issues. It still does have that lean out problem when it gets low in a tank. So usually it either shuts itself off, or when it gets that low, you know, I shut it off myself. But you can see this thing is filthy. Gonna have to go clean it again. Reminds me of the construction site video. Yeah, guys, to wrap it up, I hope you enjoyed the footage. We're at a new place today. Snuck in. Thank you so much for your support, guys. It means a lot to me that you watch the video, especially... Oh, man, I really bashed the heck out of this thing. Check that out. Well, it looks like I'm gonna need a spindle and a little exhaust mount. Must have the tire just bang that guy up. Yeah, but the repairs are nothing. This truck's pretty easy to work on. Well, I'm gonna get to fixing those, everyone. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.